Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using a Sundara Nails exclusive. It is a Ghostbuster inspired collection called Ghostly Encountered, and it is perfect. It has 4 dips, it also has a chrome, and then it has an exclusive Nails Truly collaboration of that fun Ghostbuster themed decal sheet, and there's also a cuticle oil from Glitzy Co that also collaborated with Sundara Nails, and it's like a really awesome like mini cuticle oil. So right now we already started out this mani. We are doing the gel method today. We're diving right into Mary. Mary is not part of the Halloween collection. It is a permanent line dip. It is a white, but it's not your ordinary white. It has the most gorgeous, vibrant glow I have ever seen in a white dip powder. It also is very long lasting. What I mean by that is that throughout the night when you're sleeping, you're gonna have like this slight glowness to your nails. It's one of those glows that kind of just like lasts all day. I love it. Obviously, it's not gonna be like that bright, vibrant glow, but it's just enough of that subtle glow that you have like best of both worlds, where you have like your mani throughout the day, but then at night when you're sleeping, you can still be rocking a glow in the dark mani. So we're focusing right now on this gel method. I am carefully applying that gel to right above that tape line, and we're going to do a little bit of color blocking today, but nothing crazy. We're just going to separate 2 colors here, and the reason why I want to do a white part of that color blocking right there by the tip is because I want to be able to add one of those fun Ghostbuster decals to this nail here. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to use all the colors. The rest of the colors that we're using are from the Ghostly Encountered collection, which is a Ghostbuster theme, which is amazing. Also, if Ghostbusters is not your jam, there's another Halloween collection featuring dips, and it also has the Nails Truly decal sheet and a cuticle oil, but they are different. It is a Wednesday Addams theme, and it is so fun. We're going to be playing with that collection here next week, Wednesday, on my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are in full swing here of the 31 Days of Halloween series, and we are on day 8, and I also do post Sundara Nail manis every week on my channel on Wednesdays. So if you are new, definitely consider subscribing. There's also a really fun giveaway. Don't forget, there is going to be that random fun Halloween spooky image that's going to randomly pop up today anywhere in this video, and you need to remember that image, because at the end of the video, you're going to go ahead and click on that description box, scroll down, there is going to be a giveaway Google form. You're going to click on that, and all you have to do is just fill in your name, your email address. There is going to be a multiple choice question that's going to ask you, which image did you see pop up in today's video? Hit submit. If your answer is correct, it will be entered into that giveaway. Technically, since there is 31 days here on this series, you can get 31 entries into the giveaway. It's going to be big. We have 10 companies that are participating in this giveaway. They're all nail related. It's going to be epic. Someone is going to win a grand prize, and it is going to be a really fun trick or treat nail related bag from 10 companies that are contributing. So really awesome. And we've been having so much fun on this series. I can't believe we're already on day 8. And you know, we could not do a Halloween series here without a little bit of Ghostbusters. So let's dive into this mani here, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so we're diving into this full coverage decal sheet here, so I'm going to go ahead and place it on the nail. Now, the reason why we did a layer of gel base on these nails and cured it for 30 seconds, it gave these nails a little bit of a tacky surface, so it really helps that decal help adhere to that nail. And now to remove any of that extra decal that's hanging over the free edge, I'm just taking this flat brush that is from Sundara Nails, and by the way, it is the best flat brush I have ever used for this process, and I'm dipping that flat brush in acetone and just gently cleaning up that nail, dissolving all that extra decal that is hanging off that nail. And also you will notice here I'm going to take the same flat brush with the acetone on it, and I'm gently going to dab it on top of that nail as well, and that's going to eliminate any creases, air bubbles, or lines that may be left in this decal, and that is it. Then to seal in this decal right away, for it doesn't lift or anything like that, I'm going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base, make sure I cap the free edges and cure it for 30 seconds. Now I want to go ahead and add a little bit more green to this mani here. So that color blocking nail, I'm going to take this nail art sticker tape. I'm just going to cut a little piece off here. I'm just using a pair of cuticle nippers that I use for nail art, and I'm just going to go ahead and place this sticker in between the two colors just to add a little bit more color pop to this color blocking nail. And this green just matches perfectly with that Ghostbuster theme. So I'm just gently laying this tape on the nail, just making sure it's exactly where I want it. And then once I'm satisfied with the placement of the sticker tape, I'm going to go ahead and cut off those ends here with that cuticle nipper. Now this nail sticker tape is by far the funnest, easiest tape I've used. Normally when you see like nail art tape, it's in a roll and you can't figure out where it ends or starts. It's really hard to work with, but this is super easy, and I'll link it in the description box below. And then to seal everything in, I did a layer of gel base. I cured that for 30 seconds, and now we're going in with a layer of gel top coat. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. I did the rest of the top coat off camera, and how fun is this mani? It is a super girly like Ghostbuster mani, and I'm totally living for it. I like the elements of that pop of green, and then we have that beautiful, like, it's almost like a periwinkle purple with the shards of flakes in there, and then adding these decals was just super fun, and then adding that little bit of color blocking to add another decal just kind of tied it all together. But overall, these dip powders performed so well. I feel like this theme of this collection is really fun and perfect for the Halloween season. And stay tuned, you are going to see this mani and how it glows in the dark, so stay tuned for that. So you can find everything that we used in today's video in that description box below. Don't forget to enter in that giveaway, and I'll see you all in the next spooky one.